mathematics is a testament of human curiosity, ingenuity, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. So it was a journey that not only enriched our understanding of mathematics, but also deepened our appreciation of the interconnectedness of human history. So now let us hear the voices of the students about their experiences, the journey in the subject history of mathematics.
My first impression of the subject history of mathematics is it is maybe somehow boring because it tackles about the history, and honestly I don't really like the history subjects in high school, especially the Araling Panlipunan, but in the long run I enjoy the subject because it tackles about the history of numbers, and it is quite interesting to know when and where did it start and how it evolves over time. So in addition, it is also great to know the mathematicians who have a great and major contributions in the field of mathematics.
It is a fascinating journey to see how mathematics evolved over the centuries and how it has shaped our understanding of the world. We started with ancient civilizations like Egyptians and Babylonians who developed simple arithmetic for practical purposes like trade, taxation, and measurements. Then we move on to the Greeks, who were the first to approach mathematics in a more abstract and theoretical way. Pythagoras, Euclid, and Archimedes were some of the key figures we studied. Their work laid the foundation for geometry and number theory.
So my learnings in this subject are more on exploration, especially about the ancient mathematical developments like Greeks and Babylonian contributions, as well as the advancements of medieval and Islamic mathematicians, and also in today in the Renaissance and beyond. In this subject also you will explore about the lives and works of some influential mathematicians such as Euclid and Pythagoras and many others.
Well, if I'm going to describe history of mathematics in one word, it would be fascinating. Fascinating because mathematics has a rich history marked by brilliant discoveries and the evolution of fundamental concepts, showcasing the beauty of human intellect in shaping abstract structures.
So my realization in this subject is that it is vital to know the history of mathematics, especially that we are mathematics major. Before we dig deeper to mathematics, it's better to know its origin, where it came from, where it started, where it evolved over time, and who are the person who had a great contribution in mathematics. I also realized that it is not boring to study history. And besides, it is interesting knowing the person who had a great contribution in mathematics, like Euclid, Plato, Aristotle, and many more who had a great contribution in the evolution of mathematics.
I rate it 8.
7. 8. Because it's very great to know the history of mathematics. It is not boring to learn history, yet it is interesting. The one thing is you just need to appreciate those subjects